It was necessary to create a separate Supreme Court to avoid any perception that the Appellate Committee of the House of Lords was somehow influenced by politics.
The United Kingdom Supreme Court was established in October 2009, and the 12 justices who staff the Supreme Court were, for the most part, former Lords of Appeal in ordinary.
My role is to make sure that there is an efficient and effective administration supporting the justices, users of the court, our visitors, and that we achieve what we need to achieve in the best value for money way.
It became clear fairly early on that the IT provision we had was not fit for purpose, and for the justices it didn't work. We were not in control of our own IT.
When we first started working with the Supreme Court, they asked us to take a look at what the problems were and to come up with a different way of approaching this.
I have fairly high expectations of the technology because I use it so much as a resource.
As Chief Executive, I have to produce an annual report for Parliament. We found that we could not produce the statistics we needed. We've got to try and at least deliver the same with less, if not more with less.
Ben's not there.
There were problems which we thought we could solve, but only by working in a different way and with different technology. So one of the critical parts of this was making sure that we could work in a cloud-based way, where people got access to information from multiple locations.
The decision was taken there fairly early on that we wanted to keep it as familiar as possible, so went with Office 365. When we looked at a new case management system, we knew that we wanted something that was straightforward, easy to use.
The number of cases coming to us has increased, and increased markedly.
We do need something that can track cases through all stages of the process. Microsoft Dynamics was identified because it's something which we can control ourselves. We used some of the Microsoft specialists to help us get up and running. They were very, very responsive to our needs and our priorities. Their support was invaluable. I think the two criteria when we were looking to make the change was that we should have control over our system and be able to do what we want, and that we should, if possible, reduce expenditure, and we've managed to do both.
Well, we've had a new system installed, which is very much easier to use than our previous system.
In the future, there may be the use of mobile tablet devices within the courtroom. So we're looking at how that would work, and using Windows 8 because it's compatible with a tablet device.
The new IT system undoubtedly helps the staff to deliver an efficient service. I feel confident that we've got a platform on which we can move forwards.
Now that I've been using technology for a number of years, I really can't envisage how I would do my job without it.